when the lights go out.
Put my phone on fire, I'm oblivious. I could wear this smile with experience. Tell you everything you like, it'll be wild. Got your head on fire, nothing serious. She's a west side kitty bumping this ride with me. FaceTime whenever I'm gone out the city. It's a bird's eye sitting on my head like Jimmy. Gone in the dome where your eye and I see me. When I was young, I wanted to bag them all. Like a skinny and tall, a race to take them off. Search like a hound where you haven't seen me yet. Put my body in the ground, she's a necrophiliac. I think I've had butterflies for a while now. You say you want it.
What a time when the lights go out.
Tens, 20s, and advances. I've been the man, homie, out of Kansas. But she's a west side kitty bumping this ride with me. FaceTime whenever I'm gone out the city. It's a third eye sitting on my head like TN. Lot of foes, lot of friends, blowing smoke like chimneys. Maybe I could teach you all the difference. Follow me, I'll take you any distance. Oh, this my family, my coalition. Who's gon' fuck with me no matter the conditions?
When the lights go out. When the lights go out.
Who's talking about the sun? What does the sun even mean? Huh? You're inside all day. What do you see?
Mommy's alright, daddy's alright. They just needed a little break. Forever together. Why won't you come around this way? I'll be running for the tip top, running from a gridlock, running from a cop. All the years I've watched, why the fuck you staring and looking? Aim it right on top like a bullet. She said I won't weigh you down. What you got, say it always sounds like I'm outdated and laid face down. Swing it my way, you look hot enough, make me wait till you're ready. Stuck in limbo, the bar's high as it is, and I don't do coke. None of my new LA friends, you're falling off, falling off. Can't grasp it, how you feel when I ask fantastic. Curling toes, doing splits, gymnastics. Put some more up in the lobby. I remember Tommy, couple years later. Hope you still identify me. I won't let you escape from me. All this to push away from me. And mommy's alright, daddy's alright. They just needed a together. Why won't you come around this way? She said I won't weigh you down. What you got, say it always sounds like I'm outdated and laid face down. Swing it my way, up, neither of us fast enough. Write it up, passenger.
It's full, but I like to. Call me up whenever you need to.
Were you down? What you got, say it. Always sounds like I'm outdated, all face down. Swing it my way, love. Oh yeah. She said I won't weigh you down. What you got, say it. Always sounds like I'm outdated, lay face down. Swing it my way, love. Hard enough, make me wait till you're ready.
after like desoldering all the switches, you'll kind of find that they're not as clear cut as you might think. So obviously if you drop in these Mill-max switches that are kind of smooth and they're like made to fit, if you've just got a bit of solder that's kind of sticking out or something, you kind of need to sort that out, or else the switch won't fit in nicely basically. So I'm kind of just going with a bit of with my soldering iron and a bit of a solder remover, just the copper wire stuff, just to pull any excess solder off. But yeah, it does the job. You kind of get your solder in, allow it to melt, allow it to flow around that kind of inner hole, and then try and kind of remove any excess that you can to make it as tidy as possible for when you come to the Mill-max switches. And then basically doing exactly the same thing here. There was some holes that were like quite packed with solder, so if you can heat it up and reflow it around the circle, it just makes a bit of a cleaner job basically. Can be a bit of a pain, don't press too hard, but it'll be sound. So yeah, these are the Mill-max switches. They're kind of ridiculously expensive for how small they are, but yeah, I'll put the, you know, the size. I've already posted it at the start of the video, but this is kind of just an explanation to show what my plan was. And usually what I wanted to do, I wanted to get the Mill-max switches, drop them into the sockets, cap some tape over the top, and then solder from the underside in like one bunch. But like, I kind of had a jump scare, or yeah, basically I dropped them in, and a majority of the time the Mill-max switch would just fall straight through the hole or the socket. Like in this occasion right now, it fit quite nice, but pretty much 8 out of 10 sockets, the switch would fall straight through. So yeah, pretty much had to resort to the method of put the Mill-max socket onto the switch, and then have the switch hold the socket in the correct place for soldering. Yeah, it is what it is. It's just another method. Either or sound, to be honest. But yeah, this is actually pretty good, to be fair. You just do the 4 corners, obviously, and then one by one you can just do them. It's painfully slow, but hey man, it's what you got to do for hot swappable switches.
I made a way for you. Don't send me up, yeah. Ready, go, put. Dust off my windowsill. The sunshine on my tail. Got granny on the grill. She said you're still a little kid. One night, just a couple rounds in. Butterscotch looking like my brown skin. Bodies I don't know about 1,000. Probably should've put you on allowance. Can't wait for you outside of me. Should've bad enough. Better move, assume it's my defeat. Whole time better up, I can help. Best break for you, so I do what they don't do.
So yeah, you gotta be kind of delicate when you solder these. I did mess a few up myself, and like if you get solder on the inside of that Mill-max switch, it's a write-off. Yeah, so just take your time. Allow the socket to heat up gradually. So put your iron on it, and then don't worry about overheating it. There's a sweet spot, but you'll get it. Obviously, don't leave it on to like burn the socket, but you'll see the solder kind of flow around, and then you'll see the solder drop as it sinks through into the socket. And then once you see that drop, if you want a touch more, and then it should come out and not overflow on the other side, which you can see now. I overflowed one or two, but you've always got your solder wire or your solder sucker to sort it out if you ever do come across an issue, basically. But yeah, take your time. Yeah, you got it.
Knows the routine with some little girl, bring fire from the world. I'm trying, I'm lost, only murmur. Staying for the summer, staying for the summer. And while 6 feet under, and I got that number, color, keep falling like carousel. Face smiled like a bass head, leave with stale balance, both sides, and she threw it well, so well, yeah. Raymond, ducking from the thunder with no caving. All these feelings bottled inside like a house dog, bounty on the elbow. She'll get out the house, more playing up the foul ball. You can still go out, girl. Bring fire from the world. I'm trying, I'm lost, only murmurs, find time. I'm sure I'll stay for the summer. Bring fire from her world. I'm trying, I'm lost, only murmur. Find time if she's unsure. Find time, staying for the summer. Quiet, lonely, nobody told me. Drifting aside, yeah, running away. Soon as you got those new nights. Busy cutting the checks, I'm used to cutting the ties. Okay, pull up your pants, okay. Remember them rolling eyes, how they are fans, okay. Hanging from grapevines, she want the juice now. She want it all right, get it from you now. Little girl, drifting aside.
pry this off. And then something. Oh, easy as that. Result. Bitch, I can't lose. I've been inside for days. How rude.
Focus, finally see me eye to eye. Take it off, shake it for me side to side, yeah. I am my own planet, locked up, no one left standing. Money in the safe, money in the safe. Ugly by the mouth, Barbie in the face. Won't you freak it out for a minute, turn around. I'll probably take an hour. Baby, I'm too slow, I could never go for a swim. You holler back lukewarm, too grown up for the kids. Bitch, I can't lose, I've been inside back in your neck. I don't remember if this is as far as it gets. Sometimes you eat it up, send flicks to keep me up. A pine will knock you down, I'm trying. Maybe I'm too slow, I could never go for a swim. You holler back lukewarm. Bitch, I can't lose, I've been inside for days. How rude.
Foam's kind of thick. Like you can kind of see it's. I have to squeeze it out like a good 5-7 mil for it to reach, but hopefully the screws will bite. I don't do that, but it seems looking sweet. You can see a bit of foam on the side there. Lines up quite nice. Slightly high. And the switch. I'm going to do the rest by hand because I don't want to cross thread it. Sick. Let's get the keys on. Right, the bit that we've all been waiting for. Slap these bad boys on. Hella clean. They seem to look wicked.
She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none. Dollar billies, one time. She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none. Dollar billies in my bag one. Fuck your feelings, I detach them. Wonder why I had them. With her bad lungs, running back to 'em. Keep coming back if I had known. Are you tired of understand why? Probably just a habit. She running till the cash come. Wonder what happened. Busy on the inside. I ain't got the answer. I ain't got hands. I don't got answer. You and your friends, where have you been? She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none. Dollar billies in my bag one. Fuck your feelings, I need pilot. I've gone high, parachute. This is my first. If we land in quicksand, tell them to. I might die, body bag, polyglot. Had that price on my head, took her hand.
yeah, literally, I've had these parts for like over a year. I just haven't got around to building it, so I think this came out pretty sick. It looks good, sounds good. Super good quality as well, considering this is like from AliExpress, this bag. Yeah, it's super nice the way it's sings.
Maybe I'm too slow.